Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Hostinger domain to GoDaddy hosting in 2024. Of course, you need to update for that DNS settings in your Hostinger account to point to your GoDaddy hosting server. So this will show you exactly how to connect your Hostinger domain to a GoDaddy hosting account in 2024. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Here, you'll like to go, first of all, as an example, to GoDaddy.com. Open another tab and make sure to go to Hostinger.com also. So make sure to log in both your accounts. If you have an account, if you don't, you can go and create a new one by Hostinger. Click on login, and here, as you can see, I'm already logged in. So just go here to access my dashboard right away. So as we said, we would like to connect Hostinger domain to GoDaddy. First, let's just check if we have a domain here in Hostinger. So we can just go here to domains at the top, and this should take us to this page. Here we'll find if we have any domains. So at the moment, as you can see, I don't have anything. I can just go and find a new domain. As example, you can go and type as example a domain that we want, maybe as example omixsister.com. Hit the search button, and as you can see, we have that. We can get this by $5 per year, only for 2 years plus. So if you click on buy now, as you can see, 1 year is going to be $8, and through the years it's going to be $5 per year. So choose whatever suits you, depending on whatever you want. You get even free domain privacy protection included. So you can choose the payments from here and start paying for whatever you choose. As an example, with PayPal, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, or you can even pay with cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of things in here, Dogecoin, or Alipay. I don't know what's that exactly, but anyway. So once you get a domain name, of course, you can transfer it by clicking on this option. Of course, in this video, we don't want to transfer it, but if you want, you'll be able to click on transfer here, choose the domain that you want to transfer, as example, so maybe omix.com, because this is already like got by someone. Make sure it should not be logged, and it should be 60 days past since registration or transfer. If those two meet, you'll be able to transfer it. As example, how to unlock it, they'll show you even how. Here, if it's in Hostinger, they will show you how to do it. And if it's another option like GoDaddy, like HostGator, for example, they'll even show you how to do it also. So once you unlock it, for example, you can check again, and they'll show you the option how to transfer it. So just follow the instructions. You find here an transfer, click on it, and they'll show the instructions on exactly how to transfer it. As we said, for us, we don't want to transfer that exactly. So we would just want to connect our Hostinger domain to GoDaddy hosting. So now we'll be able, of course, to go to a domain and access basically the settings of it, specifically the DNS settings. And now you'll have to go to GoDaddy. In your GoDaddy, of course, you'll have to navigate into my products. Basically, click on your account and click on my products as an example, which will take you to this page. Exactly. And here, of course, you would like to locate your hosting account and make sure to, once you find like your hosting account, you'll go and find the GoDaddy name servers. Click on manage next to your hosting account, depending on the account that you have. For me, I don't have any hosting accounts at the moment, but just go for you on your hosting accounts, click on manage, and this will open the hosting settings, and there you will find some name servers provided by GoDaddy. They usually will look something like ns1.godaddy.com and ns2.godaddy.com. So you'll have to go back then to Hostinger, go to your domain or DNS settings that you opened recently, look for sections where you can change the name servers, and then replace the existing name servers with the GoDaddy name servers you found earlier, which is normally is going to be ns1.godaddy.com, and name servers 2 will be ns2.godaddy.com. Save the changes, and it might take a few hours for the change to propagate. Now, once the DNS changes have propagated, as an example, you can need to go back to your GoDaddy account in the hosting section, the same place. You don't have to go anywhere. Just check if your domain is now pointing at your GoDaddy hosting account. And you can verify this by going to your domain in web browser. You can open a new tab and simply open that. As an example, if it's omix.com, you can simply just go into it and check if it's hosting or it's pointing to GoDaddy or to the website that you have in GoDaddy if you have one, if you connect it into it. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your GoDaddy hosting sites as example, pointing into your the URL that you just entered, which is normally is going to be omex.com or whatever like a domain that you just try to connect. And as I said, if you don't want to connect, you can simply just transfer it. Right now, you'll be able to do it right away. If you still don't even have it in Hostinger, you want to get it on your GoDaddy right away, you'll be able to, as an example. So just go here to domains and try to get it even on your of course like GoDaddy. So you can simply find your first domain here. As an example, if you're looking for the best price, maybe I guess GoDaddy will provide the best price. So example, omexsister.com, click on search, and let's see. So yeah, as you can see, you can even get it for 1 cent for. And so let's just click on make it yours and see for how much, like maybe for a year, or if we get a better plan, we'll get it for 1 cent. So let's just see. Click on no thanks. Looks good. Keep going example in the cart, and let's just see how much it's gonna. So I don't need any domain protection, and yeah, I don't need any professional email. And yeah, click on continue to cart as an example in here. So let me just wait. So what's that basically? So I don't need 3 years example. I need just 1 year. And yeah, it seems like for 1 year as example. Yeah. So for the 0. Like 1, you will get it, of course, for I guess 3 years plus. So the first year will be just with 1 cent, but after that, as you can see, you will have just to start paying your $12, I guess, or depending on whatever you want. Of course, you can even get a domain protection if you want to, and yeah, that should be it. I guess like you have just to pay it, and you should be good to go. Other than that, as an example, so let me just go to domains here. You'll be able to transfer even domain from GoDaddy if you want to right away. So example, just type example the domain that you want, click on search as example. So getting data from current register. And as example here, you'll have first of all to unlock it, as I said before, and get the authorization code. Click on continue to transfer it if you want to. Once you do so, click on refresh, and you'll be able here to click on continue to do that. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.